Singkil, a traditional Filipino Muslim dance. The Filipino Muslim dance, while often mistakenly known by non-Maranaos, the Singkil is actually luxurious in nature, performed by the Ummah communities of the Maguindanao and Maranao. The Filipino Muslim dance, the dance derived from a story of Dinagyang epic of the Maranao. Singkil, or Sayor sa Kasingkil, is a famous dance of the Maranao people of Lake Lanao, which was popularized by the Bayanihan Philippine National Folk Dance Company. Maranao, Mindanao. Coming from the Lake Lanao region, the Singkil is a popular dance performed during celebrations and other festive entertainment. Performed as a female-only dance, the Singkil serves as either a conscious or unconscious advertisement to would-be suitors for her future marriage. The ladies graciously step in and out of clashing bamboo poles arranged in either a parallel, rectangular, or crisscross fashion while manipulating either APIR, fans, masala, scarves, or even just their bare hands. Singkil means to entangle the feet with disturbing objects such as vines or anything in your path. It takes its name from the epic tale that the Maranao people trace the origin of their culture. Singkil is originally originated from the Maranao of Lake Lanao, Ranao. It is derived in a story from the Dinagyang epic of the Maranao. As with many other Southeast Asian and South Asian bamboo dances, the dance now popularly known as Singkil has its roots as a communal dance in which women show their grace in manipulating a fan or at times a scarf and precision skills of interweaving into the clapping bamboos. While the woman dances, an ensemble of kulintang musicians play for the dance. While the dance is often referred to as a Muslim dance, it is, however, a secular dance performed by the Ummah communities of the Maranao and Maguindanao. Performed at celebrations and festivals, traditionally the dance was performed by a girl of royal blood intent on advertising herself to would-be suitors for her future marriage. Traditionally, Singkil was performed by only women, inclusive of the clappers and the individual in the role of Putri Gandingan. Initially, the dance was performed with just one pair set of bamboos. Then, it grew to two criss-crossing pair sets of bamboos. Hope you enjoyed this and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.